My name is Anshu Khanna and I'm the founder of Royal Fables. It's India's only platform that promotes the craft and culture of princely India.
The royal lady, especially the Maharanis wearing saris. So, what is the collaboration today?
We are here talking with people in the temple of saris. Gaurang's place is like a temple of saris, and we are showcasing what these Maharanis make at home. At home means their palaces.
And which is the best collection, and from how many cities it is coming from?
All over the country. We've got patolas from Gujarat, we've got chanderis from Baroda, we've got chanderi. We are unveiling a new collection of chanderi from Suhara. We've got cottons, we've got chiffons, we've got kanjivarams from Chennai. So everything, fusion kanjivaram.
So much about saris. What is that one tip you want to give to all our viewers who are watching this?
Please come and shop and encourage these ladies. These ladies are working with lady craftspeople, keeping their craft alive. They are only selling either at Royal Fables or at their museum shops. So you won't get this so easily.
So Anshu ji from Royal Fable, she owns this brand called Royal Fables where she gets the Maharanis who work with weavers, artisans like embroidery people or print or painting. She gets those Maharanis to come and showcase at these exhibitions. So when she called me, Gaurang, I want to do my Royal Fables with you in Hyderabad. I said, most welcome. Because this is something which I was looking forward to since long time. I was hearing about this, about the Maharanis creating beautiful saris. And you know how Maharanis wear their chiffon so beautifully with covered their shoulder with nice blouses and all. Very elegant. So I said, it's high time we get this to Hyderabad. Or hamare jo Hyderabad ke women hai jo who love to wear chiffons. Today, if you see now, good chiffons are not available. No one makes them except for very, very few. So when I came to know that she wants to do this, and so it was a good opportunity for me to get them, and our Hyderabad women will shop a lot.
So, from the viewer side, from your collection, what is in for summer?
So I have come up with a very good summer collection in khadis, cotton, organzas. So we have released the outfits last week. Now the saris will be released in a week or so. So it's something different we try to create.
One look you always wanted to create, that's a Maharani look, and you desire to create what
So
is
if you see Mahanati, the film which I had done, in that also I had given Kirti Suresh lots of chiffons to wear because in those times like Savitri Devi ho ya Madhubala, Meena Kumari, they used to wear nice chiffon saris with simple plain chiffon saris with a tight, good fitting Kanjivaram blouses. So when Swapna came to me and said, Gaurang, you have to design for this film, I grabbed that opportunity because that was my dream come true and that's what I'm going to see here tomorrow that people are going to buy those chiffons.